Look, I've just recreated that viral TikTok post in just a few minutes. Let's see how it looks. Hello and welcome. This video covers a little-known, highly efficient way to monetize your channel by leveraging TikTok and Instagram. I'll walk you through a few fast and simple ideas to quickly grow income from your short-form channel. The strategy centers on using TikTok and Instagram alongside Vuela AI. This powerful tool clones and regenerates your video shorts, and the cost for these small videos is incredibly cheap. Let's jump in. Creating videos from scratch takes too long. Our focus is the video cloner and video reimaginer. The strategy is to use your interests to find the best TikTok content. I'll share some ideas now. The first style is sketch to manhwa. Viral sketches are great, but with Vuela AI, you can take them and give them life. Let's check out a quick demonstration. Hello, I'm Kai. Happy to see you again. Thank you. Your comments and subscriptions are a huge help.
Congratulations on your new improvements. I bet your light rod's like bigger than Zeus's. Hey, wait, can you lift my car with your hand? You were an ugly kid, but you're a sexy man. Sorry, I did not see the vision. Thank you, Lord, the fine you has risen.
The process is simple. Copy the TikTok link and paste it directly into the Reimaginer tab. Select your desired style, add a voice if you want, and wait for the analysis to complete. Crucially, ensure the reels do not feature someone talking directly to the camera and are longer than 10 seconds. Once the analysis is done, you'll see the credit cost displayed. You can easily adjust the style after it's done. Simply click Reimagine to start the video creation. If you click on the video, you can see the data. Also, there is a link that allows you to download the original content directly. Now for the final reveal. Let's see the video we created.
Congratulations on your new improvements. I bet your light rod's like bigger than Zeus's. Hey, wait, can you lift my car with your hand? You were an ugly kid, but you're a sexy man. Sorry, I did not see the vision. Thank you, Lord, the fine you has risen. Big riff coming, I need a minute. Wait, I need a minute? Okay, that's it, bye.
That's how easy it is. We remade that 500,000 like video effortlessly. Making this style is easy. You literally just need a simple sketch. I've tried a few others, so let's quickly show them before we move to the next idea. Next, let's reimagine a trailer. Just find a movie trailer you like on Netflix channel, grab the link, and change the style. If you get low quality output, try a different source clip. As a final step, feel free to use video editors to crop out any inappropriate scenes. The process is the same, but I didn't like the first attempt. It had too many glitches. Now that you've seen the first result, let's watch the new one so I can show you why changing the clip made all the difference. Remember to watch for complexity. The more complex the source video is, the higher the chance of a poor output. So choose your clip wisely. I used a video editor to quickly match the two source clips. You can skip this step, however, as you don't need to compare the scenes side by side.
Magical
The next idea is animal rescue. This comforting content always gets thousands to millions of views. To clone a video now, simply copy and paste a link into the video cloner. I might cover N8 and automation with Vuela in a future video. The huge benefit: Vuela AI automatically changes the generated videos, so you won't face copyright issues. Now for the final reveal. Let's see the finished short. The next idea is AI music videos. These videos are frequently going viral, so you can definitely use them for your channel. Just make sure you recreate the music yourself. Otherwise, you might face some copyright issues. Let's remake this one. Quick note: your creativity is your biggest asset, and it's what truly pays. You are unique, so trust your ideas. They could change the world. For the next idea, we'll use horror clips. I'm not a fan of the genre myself, but since Halloween is near, this style will attract a lot of people.
In 1963, a 6-year-old boy stabbed his sister and never spoke another word.
Let's create this one. It's simple. Just copy the link. This time, we will use the video cloner.
This is a true story. In 1963, a 6-year-old boy stabbed his sister and never spoke another word. He was sent to a sanitarium. For 15 years, he never said a word, not even once. One stormy night in 1978, he escaped. No one saw it coming. He stole a mask, coveralls, and a car. Then he drove to his hometown. That Halloween night, people began to feel watched, but they didn't know by who.
That's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I wish you the best of luck.